What up YouTube? It's your boy Enox. Today I'm going to show you how to pop a front 180. Alright, so all you guys want to learn how to do a frontside 180? Well, I'm here to show you how. Chances are, if you guys can pop a nice ollie, this trick will come with ease. So all I want you guys to do, just before you pop your ollie, I want you to rotate your head and shoulders towards the front side direction, and the rest of your body will follow. Try practicing half of a 180 first. Once you have that part down, you can try using your front truck to pivot and rotate the rest of the way. The more comfortable you get with this trick, the easier it's going to become, and you're going to be able to spin all the way around. If you're real keen, try doing a frontside 180 down a set of stairs. It's a really simple trick, but it looks super stylish. As you can see, this trolley really didn't want to sit still. Oh, there we go. If you guys like this video, make sure you drop a like, be sure to sub, and I'll catch you next week in another episode of Trick Tip Tuesdays.
I'm so wavy, I could get you swimming last year. I'm so wavy, I could get you swimming.